FiiO M21 review. Is the FiiO M21 worth buying? If you want a portable music player that can deliver serious wired audio performance while also working as a desktop DAC and headphone amplifier, the FiiO M21 is worth a closer look. But is it really worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The FiiO M21 runs Android 13 and uses a Snapdragon 680 processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of storage. You can also add a micro SD card with support for capacities up to 2 TB, which is useful if you have a large music collection. Its biggest selling point is the audio hardware. FiiO uses 4 CS43198 DAC chips and a 2-stage amplification system. You get both 3.5mm and 4.4mm balanced headphone outputs, with the balanced connection delivering significantly more power for compatible headphones. The M21 supports high-resolution PCM and DSD playback, while Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 give you access to supported Bluetooth and wireless audio, LDAC, aptX HD, and LHDC. Another useful feature is desktop mode. When connected to external power, the M21 can operate from that power source and unlock its higher gain output mode, making it more suitable for demanding headphones. Battery life is rated at up to 15 hours through the 3.5mm output. While the 4.4mm balanced connection uses more power, the 4.7-inch touchscreen is compact, and physical buttons plus a dedicated volume control make music playback easy to manage. There are some downsides. The Snapdragon 680 is designed for everyday music use rather than heavy Android multitasking, and the relatively small screen isn't ideal for every app. The M21 is also thicker and heavier than a normal smartphone. So who should buy it? If you're an enthusiast who wants powerful wired audio, balanced output, expandable storage, and Android streaming in one device, the M21 is a compelling choice. But if you mainly use wireless earbuds or don't need powerful wired headphone output, a simpler and less expensive player may make more sense. I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what product you'd like to see next.